Mahamudu Bawumia no ho. Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo no ho. Enkwasiafo mo NPP mu nyina excluding omo wuni nyina na omo ho. This is what they said. Let's listen to the NPP. Time your friend NPP say omo nyina betena table no ho. Na yen have an economic forum. Ni decided the future of Ghana's economy. I think you need to know about the NPP. Last time Bibia say NPP as a political party omo more. And Ghana we didn't take our time to analyze this political party. And internet they took advantage of us from 1996. Omo dada yebedu 2000 ay tam to me ma omo. The NPP as a political party, they have never ever sat down to think about Ghana as a nation and impuntu ya omodema Ghana. Yaba democratic dispensation mu and as he started to abayi president of Ghana. NPP this was 16 years. NDC this was 16 years. NDC for president JJ Atamils John Mahama. John Mahama Atamils Okanimi Nuboma 8 years. And it's there John Mahama ye president. Indika Atamils the 8 years and John Mahama going to be president this time. It took John Mahama the first and second Niboma. Oni Atamils Eshen technically 4 years. And a JJD 8 years. Into Kaboma na 16 years. J.A. Kufo papa Kufo bedi 8 years. And a Atichidiechi eye Agove Akufo Addo oni abozege ebedi 8 years. Into technically NPP ni NDC edi Ghana so 16. And so ende udu weni she Ghana ha na ubusa se Ghana mpuntio school sem ekwan nipa mu abrabo mu nsem nyoma amanipa ende otumi gina ne so ubusa NPP for say dey na maya omuntumi hyeda mfa omunta ensi bibi pote so de bia no omse ya papa Kofo ubusa say dey na ya papa Kofo ubusa say dey na ya papa Kofo aya omuntumi nka because it's a political party. From day one, they took Ghanaians for granted. No one say Jimmy, a time will not come. No more expected say there will be a time Ghanaians can stay at home and know everything about governance. They didn't anticipate say a day like this will come. I'm telling you, NPP at say no, mobile politics mobile we need power no. J.A. Kufo be the president or kono and wiping and kwasha somewhere in our free system nim. Intende oko internet in so Kufo be the president 8 years Ghana at 50 speeches or make ye nyoma and ministers here ni nyina ebi ni system nim oba papa ni nyina because in their head no na amabo no mbebu ye no e krono no mbebo ye Kufo obebo ye krono ye bia meka me say Kufo as a grandfather, Kufo as a husband is a wonderful man. Kufo as a politician is a criminal. Yeah. And it is not personal. Onuni juma odi no and one uncommon amini wood no. I don't have personal issue with him, but when it comes to his public life, he's one of the most criminals we have ever entertained as a president. And then I'm a kind of yeah, but no. As a dad, he's a wonderful dad. As a grandfather, he's a wonderful man. As a husband, a wonderful, great husband. But as a politician, Kufo is diabolic and one hardened criminal. Obese Ghana. Yeah. And if you're not able to be clear on these things, no way, Jimmy, I am drawing the lines for you to understand. Say, because and you're personal, it is about people and what they have done. Now, 2014, and John Dramani Mahama, Ebedi president, or Bedi president 2012, 2014, no a president. At a point, Ghana sika sem ekwachi kakra. And John Mahama ka say, as a president, I cannot take a unilateral decision or become a dictator and decide for everybody in Ghana. Inti John Mahama in 2014 catch the Ghana for say, or per se ABB for the stakeholders meeting, or per se Ghana for jina ahemfo, ahema, tailor for, nurse for, lawyers, judges, yet police for, soldier for, obiamra, na yentinasi, na yendin komo, and for the future of our economy, Ghana sikasem. Now, as a government, you know, omu de bebe yedu no, omu ni say yenya IMF, eso ya sinika kra, yebetumi atoto nyo mebi ema yema no, ye sikasem jina ne naso. It is John Mahama as an intelligent politician, and a Democrat who is not stupid and greedy, and from a party that believes in government that is inclusive. You can say inclusive governance. Aban mu nipa ene Ghana for mu nya aban mu nipa e ka mutia bom achechere man. And you find inclusive governance. Into John Mahama respecting the view and the voter and the Ghanaian who gave him power, no. Okay, say we should all have a forum. Discuss say, will it be wise for all of us to commit to an IMF deal, or we have alternative means to solve our economic problems? Now, and when they call for a Senchi forum nearby. In 2014, the whole Ghana obiaji tumu say yes. Or say nyina yekodi nkumo otumfo say tutu gitumu ya na agitumu togba afedi gitumu eye nzema hene gitumu infante hene mena na kwesi ata gitumu eye bonofo kofo eye wafo but obia gitumu ne nyina gitumu say we need to have the forum. Because you told our president, but we die e osi nyina ye ka etribom ye say etikro ene kwagina anamebwa. So the Senchi Forum was put together. Now what happened was that the government of the day invited every single Ghanaian and every political party to be part of that discussion. It wouldn't look like, or it wouldn't seem to look like, say, Abaina etosono na eteki a decision. As a decision, no, yene yewo krunim no. You tear taxes no and afraid a taxpayer no you need any say in a decision. It's the NDC Aban led by John Mahama Eton and Safre, the biggest opposition party then. Right now, the biggest opposition party in Ghana. 2014, the NDC government invited the biggest opposition party, the NPP. That time na agove ene the abozege Bawumia mudi enim. The same time, they were all complaining about the economy. That time, that dollar no endru 3. That dollar no was lingering around 2.5. That dollar no crossed 3. John Mahama every pound that dollar in 3.4. In the time, I'm not all calling for the forum, the economic forum 2014. No, that dollar no pondu 3, but he was calling for that forum. Mahamudu Bawumia no oho, Nanado Danko Akufo Addo no ho. Enkwasiafo mo NPP mu nyina excluding omo wu nyina na omo ho. This is what they said. Let's listen to the NPP. Time your friend NPP say omo nyina betena table no ho na yen have an economic forum. Ni decided the future of Ghana's economy. This is what the NPP said.
Well, as you've been watching throughout the day, the New Patriotic Party says it will not attend the National Economic Forum scheduled to begin tomorrow, May 13.
The NPP says the Economic Forum is intended to be a PR gimmick calculated to keep the people of Ghana in the dark about the real state of the economy.
According to the New Patriotic Party, although it is not against the National Economic Forum, the platform offers no opportunity to significantly engage in the process.
Last Friday afternoon, the NPP received an invitation from the seat of government to be part of a National Economic Forum that is scheduled to begin on the 12th of May 2014. How can the government call stakeholders to such an important forum at such short notice and expect any meaningful contribution in this national discourse? This is a clear manifestation that the government is just being disingenuous.
The party says several suggestions on the economy by the minority in parliament, economic experts and other key figures in the party have been treated with contempt by government. The NPP said it is still unaware of the base document and content to be used at the forum, adding the forum is rather to create a platform to legitimize proposals that have been formed up between government, the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, IMF.
Information available to us suggests that the NDC government has already adopted a set of reforms between 2014 and 2017, which includes the retrenchment of workers, and has communicated Same in its policy document to the IMF titled Economic and Financial Policies for the Medium Term. The question is, if the government has already adopted a set of policies and has already submitted to the IMF, what is the purpose of convening a national economic forum to deliberate on what to do?
The New Patriotic Party, however, says it will continue to provide workable alternatives to management of Ghana's economy.
So I keep telling you, Akora with Jimmy, Jimmy for 2014. The government then led by John Mahama invited Mumra, Nian Ghana Sika Samu. Paula Fokwa and they didn't know 10 years. NPP 14 in Yashemu. They use him because or 10-year boy. Said they be a catcher one tough one be. NPP be use him and every time you two for a month, me say NPP, ya chichire no menjia. We are 10 now, we are kwa. Me, I don't care, I will tell you. They use Paula Foko. Omuye no chini nya Gregory Foko shemu 10 years. John Mahama 10-year boy na asaba be in a free jail. Mo enta for that NPP mu bi mu Jimmy. Let's go back to the basics. 2014 on my press conference, catch Ghana for say they are not going to be part of They are not going to be part. They are going to boycott the National Economic Dialogue. Sir, on the 12th of May, Omama. Can you call this a political party? Can you call these people you want to build a nation with? But do you know the most interesting thing about this party? They don't change. They don't change because it's a party filled with foolish old men, and the younger ones are more stupid because they don't want to reason. When it comes to the development of this nation, in Kwasiafo party way, they have never thought of this nation. They have never considered being part of building this nation. They have become a group of people. What they do is every time a person develop they derail the nation. In 2014, the Century Forum, they boycotted it. They didn't go. Now here, John Mahama about power. Free SHS now, Kwame Nkrumah start here now. Akufo Addo kwasiampanyi way, agove. With all due respect, Jimmy way, ebe so ma was said no. Today, John Mahama is back and I'll say, the free SHS, any education as a whole, the problems we have with our education. From basic school to senior high school to secondary level to tertiary, there is a problem. The gaps, the infrastructure deficit, the curriculum, every single thing about our education, I say, and John Mahama say, we all need to sit and then have a national dialogue. Party biamra, ohini biamra, soja ni biamra, police ni biamra, ni pana otonsu ni polo no omu nyina amra. Na yen discuss send ye betumi aye schools system ni ye. Free SHS na ye betumi adane ni managina na naso. If a political party is reasonable and ready to help the people and also willing to serve, what would they do? The national interest should and must be the interest of that political party. But what are we hearing today? John Mahama went to Parliament in his State of the Nation. He extended a very warm, respectful invitation to the NPP as a political party. The problem we are in today, education, as say, it is because of the NPP that came in and blew everything up. But at this point, John Mahama did not stand in Parliament to blame the NPP. John Mahama stood in Parliament to invite the NPP to come to help solve the problems they stupidly caused. Adia chienda no pa NPP for a release statement almost say education forum we no reinstate sacked workers before we join economic forum. 2014 almost said notice na a short. Na 2014 almost say omunya idea bi say NDC abane dinka letter comma IMF into ma. Another one asabande oma kosi chaos no. Oma say school no, oma say education no. They should come for us to think. Say oma tete say ya pam nkofobia ye form adwuma 7th of December ya to abewie no into omo ma. This is the kind of This is the political insect I'm catching Ghana for. Amuyam kwasia for. Na sebio sa ope Ghana year. Na se see you obi edi kona wonti asia. Imbre du so ba betrem ya ka Ghana nsem achechire Ghana. But because they are not willing, because you know something, they know that when they come, they have to accept the fact to say omo no ma cause the destruction of your education. Now because of the guilt and the continuous damage they have done to Ghanaians, they always run away from their mess. And the omakoshe what we call Mahama pam ni pebi a yefa omodjuma on the 7th of December. Nkwasiafo matna bemu 8 years. Went man for ni pejuma on the 7th of December na ofa nipa. We ndwan. Na aban bia ba na say those nipa na ofa on the 7th they should be sacked because sankabe for omodjuma ka so for omodjuma 4 years ago enye 7 December na obefri aban mu no ene yefa di pejuma. Almost say because of that ninti sa education forum we omunko. You see the kind of people we are dealing with. Well, the kind of foolish animals we are dealing with. Inti atinani edi omatema. Enya personal eya party no omwe Jimmy. And we want Ghanaians to know, say, we have a political party filled with animals. LA animals. And more bebre. And the party filled with old and young people who don't think about the development of this nation. On said 2014, no say Champions about the team. 2014, na omo party mu nyina ende omo tuefu dwene yare adokromo. They were all in it. They came back in 2016, they destroyed the education. They are back again today. Mombrane solve a problem now. Omo say chin ya ma. Enti ade 4 years na Ghana fo ejimi nti ne asako sala ese nwan ne ato aba mankwase afo mama ba sa abese kuro no. Mo papa ko fo ba ye obedi sika wo Ghana ekofa akola ketekete ma ne betwetwe ne bema ebetam $200,000 koye owie enokoye gold chain tu kom eno osama ne nkofo gold chains. Ghana at 50, a forensic audit was done. A commission which has power, like the High Court said, Kufo is a criminal. Kufo himself, they need to go to jail. More down to Nkrumah Masankwasi Afoya Sadano Mohasa Ababe Kachiramo say. Monto Abama Mamu 2016. And they have destroyed your education. You are calling them to come to a table for us to think how to revive our education. Into we are Ghana near Unim Nyansa. Why should you follow such a piglet party? Mr. S, these same people boycotted the 1992 constitution. Pull the dog for me. What's your 4 way? Team, I remember very well the same NPP in 1992, yeah, Ghana constitution, ya cast almost sombra, no more metnase, ne constitution, no, bibiano, they boycotted the constitution. We want ya more, want ya toilet mumwa. Na munya buchen study si bia NPP 40 ana. So NPP niya ye dina sheni deep. Osa boa. Mese NPP niya, menye ni bibia, ye dina sheni deep. Ya kasa o be deeper. For o second eye ne wo utim no sheni ye. Uhun ye pa to so as aketi as aboa ana hu mo de amunya time pa mu NPP for anya abotre e bi te se abronye begina wenima ye din na hwe ni deep Ernesto wusu bempa ye din na hwe ni deep hwe chema wontumi deep Akufo Addo gina hwe ni deep nya abotre ka se wo hwe obi deeper hwe ni soul ubo so as aboa anwa se moa anwa se moa. And that is them. Take your time and watch them. They change. They so say person who's NPP for a moi or doom them light. Let's saw a torchlight almost shadow never to one. It will be a boa beba. Maybe a secret no one can't tell. Me say so person who's NPP for a moi said I doom damn light. Let's saw torchlight to almost shadow never to dine on. Obia boa be in Ubo se bu hard touch better so no than a ketia. Ubo better so than a mampam. Ubo better than a breachy. Me say, oh, the own people in action, they doom light, that's what touch it on so. Where we are nine, where more. Ah, minimum go for you. I deal with them. They don't care about you. They see Ghana for say Jimmy. These are animals. These are ingrates. They don't think about you and I. Their only thing is that party mbra power ne yenche say japade. Entiende education o mo be say no. Yati Nkrumah ma enkwara ko school no mo ni books o mesua de wom. No mo ni books o me read. Syllabus ko no mo ni bi. Mombra na yen nyina yen kan ya adwirimbom. Na yen san chichiri kro no education na o mo se fa fe. Me say one day omo ya congress of conference mundum light na mumbie torch into omo so. E wona bo say zoo no mugum. Me say mo de mo ntete omo one day omo ka so omo ya conference so de ndien mo share doom light no na mumbie torch into omo so. E wona bo say we animals kingdom. Obati fi papa obati kwa obati wo obati obati fi emwankwa NPP for me see doom light na so torch to omo so you will see the inner them. How can we build a nation with such animal characters? How can we build a nation like that? And these things should tell you something. This is not a political party any Ghanaian should take serious. Now, let me tell you. In time, Messiah, get me the full story. Get me the story. These same people boycotted the 1992 constitution, the NPP. It is not a lie. This is the typical NPP for you. A foolish tribal party. NPP boycott of 1992 parliamentary election was a mistake. Hakman Usu Ajiman. Or who draws NPP mu? And you pay for the party no. Or say, we boycotting the 1992 constitution was a mistake. So he's admitting they boycotted it. The reason why he was saying it's a mistake was that they wanted to, if they have thought of it, they would have gone to infiltrate the constitution with their stupid tribal tendencies. And then they because Oman didn't want them. So didn't want them and come committee constitution ekofa omahinie ene omunkwasi a tribe ni behihye ene no eye omuya enye constitution oman join say entro no Hakman Usu Ajiman onhuru nchansi mu NPP mu Hakman Usu Ajiman or a founding member of the NPP or say they boycotted the constitution now. NPP's boycott of the 1992 parliamentary elections was a mistake. They boycotted the parliamentary elections and they boycotted the constitution. These people, no, you cannot trust them. They are people, they are not there to help Ghana do anything. Parliamentary, 1992, Omanko. Yeah, Constitution, 1992, Omanya part. Senchi Forum, National Economic Development Forum, Omanko. Yasaba, Yababa, another educational forum, national, almost Omanko. Why should any Ghanaian vote for such animals? Why should any Ghanaian get up and go say me NPP? Actually, with Jimmy. Yeah. So we now would see NPP followers when they are having a discussion. And they say be alcohol Facebook. They are in a group discussion. And now call TikTok. They are in a group discussion. Now we now would say Nasa uti o ma. Ubebusa say, hey, a day na one mwa wite. I'm telling you for a fact. You can't group on with Jimmy Pa Sankofono. I am telling you, when you join or when you were scrolling on social media, now you could peer on discussion. So, as a group of NPP supporters, as a group, NPP NPP supporters, as a group, no mudin komo about our partner. So, we now put out because damn, Yama muafrim. They cannot think beyond our party, no. It is all about na yedie, na yedie, na yedie, na wedie, na yedie. Na umu nimso mo pay asem. Na umu sa wona fo dem pay asem. Hwe de entafo, just say na mo Jimmy ana. We are talking about a political party that should represent every Ghanaian, irrespective of your political background, religious affiliation, your ethnic affiliation. It's supposed to be a party that represents the people. But so good see na so omudin komo. Na so omuti na almost sre. Na omo discuss your party na. Utubu say yes, you are in the midst of animals. Odi aye nyabutre. Aye nyabutre ne tie NPP for omo kasa men kebi tie omo. Obeka say na we ye tie omo anase ye nyem omo anase ye ne omo. You'll be shocked. Their level of intelligence, the way they understand issues, the way they think Ghanaians think, the way they underestimate Ghana for. And the funny thing is, 99% of NPP supporters are Nkrumah for. Yeah. They are typical villagers. 99% of NPP for wa abruchiri. No mu gurem ni aseso mu abruchiri. 90% no mu nkranda. I'm telling you, I'm going to abrochase Bluebird Charlie. Me say 90% of NPP supporters of Muabruchi, about 80%. They have no perspective. They have nothing, no knowledge. They were green, bush cows. And the only trip they made in their life and a year long from Ukrasi to Accra before playing Babruchi. I'm telling you. But see, the only tripper MPP for majority of MPP for Bruchi, the only trip I'm making in your life, and they say you better move free wurem or to two, and so of a sea from Brankran. Or say wurem to say cocoa about 8. But see, Sango from Massachusetts, I Bronx, Omumubino, Google UK. MPP for and the MPP for me see. No mugu wuram about 6 about amutiti miaso e Jimmy for Nkrumah for omugu maso omagu 88 no ebe for obokoye. If they don't have any perspective, they don't understand why somebody should disagree with them. They don't understand why things should change. They don't understand why amamwone yebu no enye wofa na wo se ebu. They don't understand. They don't have that perspective to understand. Say, so being free one ton more, no to be Ghana. So they don't get it. Because they know when say, okwe fuom, a bodon siano do ba to say impruka. Into no, the only say no wafa, say ne bapa wa, ne wafa no, on ne kodi ne wafa de. Into the team no or take governance. When they present or see a tuna or send of a better so into a Yakofua, any MPP near Santini, Yankofa Napo Jimmy for them. Into majority no, they see governance say, Wofan Wuna of Amra. Into the moment, Nipana, on any of air contest, no, and you'll be or yellow of Faraday on Panasam majorities. How long the two abridge myself more. Into first, I don't want Ghana, no Mugu, and I drove from Bomudi Quabra or Kwabra was wadani kokuo. 99% of NPP supporters sanke an form one kwabro Germany ni ade there anke be kono mo tuadua omudua tuatua ho omodi bofuro nkwan na omudua efifi enti omo abroche mo ntumi nkopu open pool omo ntumi nkobi okowro no ho pe edua odua omo odua kitinkiti tuatua omo to kai was your voice me say and Friday MPP supporters, me see. Who MPP supporter be can say betonsium oh pu nie ro hu betom onye da. Omo nyina omo fifi dua kitwe bi be 2 inches etutu omo to. Me see ko omo check kakra nko omo nyina tu dua. This say aketia. Omo agimi. Wo be say boss says na bom din omo kai. Kwamna osipo wadani kokuo. Kwamna wadani eyi ofo eno dan wurem. Boss says pe no wadani ofo. Anyway, kwambo twai kwasiafo bugu abruchi enkwasa dia party di kofowei awurade Nyankopon ukono mo kasa I say omudi bini otise omo hia no mo kasa I ko hwehwe mo TikTok otise ba ku mienu miensa 10 omo hia no mo kasa I say omudi toilet ansa no makasa nyansa friend nyansa omudi ba ku mpo bosses per madane moa. Eche ewiana antofom. Ewiana sunset team no madane moa. Uboni dia onte. 90% of them from Google abrochi. Into the year cosna yet they don't understand. They are pained. You see, when you lose an election, you just have to understand to say you did not do something right. Your party was wrong. They did not listen to the people. It is simple. Why do you get mad when you lose elections? Why do you have to basically make it look like the world should come to an end? 2016, John Mahama lost an election. He stood before the country and handed over power and told Ghanaians that posterity would judge. We will all get to know in the future. 2020, he lost the elections. Even though we all saw, say, John Mahama won, the world didn't come to an end. Nobody killed anybody. Even the NPP that used police and soldiers to kill Ghanaians, nobody said anything against them. And so when lose the election, what's the big deal? TikTok. Mahama ya kwasia, Mahama ya abua. Na mono, mo nye nipa na, mo di toilet ansa na mo sore ya, na mo sore no pa, mo di toilet rejuchu musiana. Asa mo di bini. Omu kasa ese nyan. No omugu platform so yen tese kom na jai na tanka Kennedy ba ya yen nyina enim se de na ekoso ne nye ya party me se hwa am gimi Kennedy mu obodam ya soso na adwene Bawumia gimi mo betena se ebusa won se ade na sese ne Ghana fo kura kasa omu mfiye obanyansafo omu tuetuedua elom tete TikTok enuanom we de mabao e be se ebusa question bi ade na se ne Ghana fo kasa omu mfiye ade na party ne nya akono Ediye na yenyama party no sane ye no. Na be Mahama dumso Mahama confirm and Mahama ambula hwe. Onje Ghana for nya lefties. Me say boje se Ghana for nyina na lefties. Mini lefties ni problem. It is how mujimi no e fo mo power biebo. Do an inner search. Munya botre mo betena sia mumbusa ho questions. Ediye ne be ma partner ya kono yese nkofo hu yese ye moa ebere ne etumetwa edu efiri wo mu se ye nipa munyina mu tuetuedua ebo 6 a ye bom din amonte osiafo na ye ko yedim ye